Femoski, where you dey since? I dey find you now. See, Femoski, you see any liquid wey dey inside small ragolis for inside kitchen? Femoski, I went to use cook for me what I chop yesterday. Femoski, that thing na poison now. Femoski, for ask question, that thing na poison. Femoski, don't use poison cook for me and eat. Wait, but hope you eat am, Femoski, you no eat am. Oh, your spirit dey tell you say if it be poison, na why you no eat am?
We must learn the lesson.
Your spirit dey tell you say if it be poison, you no eat am. Then you allow me eat am. Femoski, you allow me eat am. Oh, Femoski, I no dey useful. Oh, I no dey useful. Na why you allow me eat am? I no dey useful, Femoski. You allow me eat poison. And you no eat am, Femoski. You be wicked, Femoski. Wicked, I go kill you, Femoski.
Let God not allow them, let them kill you. Your mind is
highlifeng.com